collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties. Today's video is taking place in our grocery store in a hidden doll room. There's a DIY video in case you're interested in one of our mini brands series 2 videos. Speaking of mini brands, I finally got my hands on mini brands series 4. Unbox ultra rare frozen moment minis. They were $6.99 each, and I bought 9. For this series, the capsule is blue, and it says it's made with certified recycled plastic. Let's just peel this, remove the first layer, remove the second layer, remove the tab, and it opens. Now we can open our first one. Man, got it. And here we have Hawaiian Tropic Tanning Oil. Cool bottle. We have Popsicles, which is an empty box that you can totally fill with some DIY popsicles. Okay, now I gotta try. This box is about 1.5 inches long. Let's try to make popsicles using hot glue, Sharpies, clear tape, and a silicone mat. Lay down a layer of hot glue. You don't have to be super neat here. We just kind of want to get it on the mat quickly. Then fold over the mat and press it down. Now the glue is hot. Okay, so you've been warned. You can always use an oven mitt to make sure you don't feel the heat through the silicone. Once it's cooled, peel it back and lift it from the mat. Cut it into thin strips that are under 1.5 inches. I use a permanent marker to color them, get clear tape, and place them on the tape. Fold the tape over, closing it inside. Firmly press the edges, then trim it to make miniature popsicles that we can put inside the box so it's not empty anymore. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, we got bubblegum and makeup. Revlon. Personally, I love the Bath & Beauty products. And my last one is Hershey's Milk Chocolate and the Collector's Guide. The frozen moments look pretty cool, but those are ultra rare. Why? Then we have the gold ones. I prefer the realistic colors. Glow in the dark, metallic, candy. Looks like Peeps. Those are Morningstar sausages. Stuff for the medicine cabinet. Juice. Raisins. I'm excited to find those. Chips, cereal, Pop-Tarts, vitamins. How fun. Makeup, love it. Hope the nail polish is not super overscale. A razor, that's cool, but I think is a case exclusive. Then we have wet ones, shaving cream, baking soda, cleaning products. Yes! Money? Ooh, I like the little card reader. I like the safe and the cash register. Now that we know what to expect, let's see what we got. Our first one is baking soda. Why am I so excited about this? I love baking soda. You can clean a bathroom, clean a kitchen. It's all natural deodorant. Up next, what was that? It's icy slush. I want more cleaning products. Pringles. They seem to be pretty popular with the minis because Real Littles has Pringles too. And I don't even know what that is. It's a burrito. And here we have, please let it be makeup, makeup, makeup. No, it's my first double. We're not gonna trip here. We're not gonna trip. As long as I don't get like a bunch of candy, I'm good. A bunch of doubles when it comes to makeup, I would be very happy. Come on, makeup. All right, that wasn't graceful. And our first one is raisins. I love you. All we need now is like some oatmeal and our dolls are set. Where are the oatmeal mini brands? All right, Teddy Grahams. We already have the honey Teddy Grahams, and now we have chocolatey chip. Adding a little variety to our mini grocery store. Was that a double? It was for candy. Come on, really? Our last one from this capsule is difficult to open. I'm chipping my nail polish. Dry shampoo. Okay. We are looking for a frozen moments mini brand. Because so far this is feeling pretty average. And Peeps, which is kind of like, I'm gonna put that in a candy category. And what is this? Another double. Okay. What about this one? Come on. What do we got? More candy? Really? Yeah, more candy. Okay. What about more candy? Should have known, but that's okay because maybe this capsule was saving the best for last. Cheez-It. It is empty, so there is an opportunity to fill it with some minis if you're feeling crafty. I need a larger cracker section. The Peeps look pretty cool. There's foam inside, so they're squishy. And here is a closer look at the Push Pop. We have 5 to go. Still hoping for more health and beauty products. And this is not that. It's hot sauce, but it's actually pretty cool. There's a lot of detail here. Like in the red part, I don't know if y'all can see that, but in the red part, there's like little specks. That's neat. I like the little details. Another baking soda. I'm not mad because you need at least 5 in your house. See, I don't always get upset when I get doubles. Is this a shelf? Yeah, it's a shelf. I can't say these are my favorite just because they're not deep enough, but I do like the little details on the sides. Please be makeup, please be makeup, please be makeup. Nope, it's gelatin. And this is the collector's guide and another burrito. But it is a different flavor, so I can't call it a double. Starting to get a little nervous here that my frozen moments minis won't have frozen moments. Well, it does say ultra rare, so it is not guaranteed, but I feel like it should be. Steamed buns with filling. And this is, yay, a cleaning product. Arm & Hammer, clean and simple detergent. This is a keeper. Very happy about this one. A few more Arm & Hammer products and we've got an end cap display. There's just something about seeing brands in miniature that you're familiar with. OxyClean. We're on a nice little cleaning products roll here. And then came Orajel. Maybe this one will be makeup. And that's a no. It's candy. We only have 3 left. We started out with 9. We've opened 6 and still no frozen moments. We got vitamins and another icy slush. All right, come on, let's keep up this energy level because it could happen. It could happen. Really. Rice Krispie Treats. Positive vibes, positive vibes. Oh, I think that's a cleaning product. Yeah. More detergent. Here we have more raisins. Ooh, but they're organic. Now you're speaking my language. 2 to go. Only 2 left. More Pringles. And they're not even the frozen moments one. I don't know, y'all. This isn't looking so good. Is that another baking soda? I do love baking soda, but come on. We've DIY'd stuff like this before, so if we don't find it, it's okay. We can always make our own. We did the spring rolls with the dipping sauce, the pizza with the cheese, more raisins. This time, it's a box. And we did the churros with the chocolate sauce, so it can be done. A double! Yay! Just joking. These are actually pretty cool. More Peeps. And I told a friend I was gonna be on my best behavior this time. This is my very last one. And I'm not gonna lose control, folks. This is Toya under control. Honestly, I love mini brands. I do wish there were more options to get them without having to go through the surprise capsules or pay third-party prices. But then we wouldn't get a whole bunch of these. 4 more hidden mini brands. Double. Do you see that? Do you see how calm I was there? Oh, that's neat. Hand sanitizer. The bottle is like clear and stuff. That's pretty cool. I didn't get nearly as much makeup as I had hoped. But we have another OxyClean. So many doubles. And this is our last one. It would be super awesome if there was a Frozen Moments in here. Like, come on. Big finale. Big finale. No! So there you have it. My first experience with Mini Brands Series 4. There are a lot of new minis. I'm a big fan of the cleaning products. Their availability was pretty decent. I would have loved to have seen more makeup. The money and the safe, and the card reader, that would have been nice. I love the idea of the Frozen Moments, very remint style. However, we weren't able to find one today. But that's okay, because we got paper and hot glue. Look at that, look at that. DIY Frozen Moments. Ain't nobody gonna tell me I can't have no Frozen Moments. Totally not bitter about it. Okay, maybe just a little. But I have a lifetime supply of baking soda. That's it. I'm going back to the store and you can't stop me. I got 3 more. That makes 12. If we don't get something cool this time, I'm done. Not that baking soda is not cool, because I am a fan. But we really want one of those Frozen Moments. And I got peeps. No! If everything is a double, I'm going to scream. Wait a minute. Yay, we got the card reader. Apply the sticker. And yeah, it's good to go. I wish it wasn't pink so it would match the other stuff. It even comes with a little card that we can put inside. Love that. Or tap it. And we can even sign the back. Already feeling better about running to the store. Yeah, for some mini brands. Is this baking soda? Well, I said I loved it, but some money or a Frozen Moment would be nice. Candy. Here we have Orajel Toothache Rinse. Okay. Capsule number 2. I never thought about adding Orajel to the miniverse, like, just being honest. I have a feeling this is another shelf. I don't need that, man. It's okay, there's another one. We can try again. Really? More gelatin? I don't need that. Okay, come on. Where is the next one? There's gotta be something. Come. Of course, it's Rice Krispie Treats. Not feeling good about this. What is that? Another push pop. Okay. And really? We have one more right here. It is... Ooh, we got some Sunny D. The bottle is pretty cool. Which brings us to our last one. Again. I bought 12 capsules. Opened 11. And not a single Frozen Moment, man. Not a one. Luxury diapers. Cool prop for all those doll Instagram baby showers, but not what I wanted. Is this what I wanted? No. My 3rd bottle of tanning lotion. And this is makeup! Yay! Revlon Color Stay in Natural Beige. The scale is a little large. It's a little big for 1/6 scale dolls, but it might be a fun prop in the background. We can just say it's economy sized, and then we get candy. This is my last one. No Frozen Moments. And it's a double. Well, at least we got this and some makeup. And we just might have enough baking soda products to do an end cap display. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mini Brands Series 4. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.